that out and put a new drop piece in it. And change the washer there. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. We'll cut it out and we'll fix it. You know, I'll put one of these pieces in there. Put that in there, that's all. What do you do for work?
I work for Stop and Shop.
Oh, okay.
Not the stores. I receive in the warehouse.
Look at that. Just all rotted.
I receive in the warehouse.
You're a receiver.
Yeah. Produce. Actually, Stop and Shop buys buys all the produce first, and then everybody else gets what they don't want.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you don't know that.
Wow! We're gonna have to put a limo trap on there. Well, let's do what we gotta do here. Yeah, they got pretty good produce there, no Stop and Shop. I mean, I like going there and getting stuff. You know, it's got some pretty good stuff too with Shaw's.
Shaw's does, yeah.
Wow! Man, I mean, it's on there.
It's been there forever, huh?
Been there forever and a day. Might have to just put plastic in there. That'd probably be the best way if I can get it out. Get it out of here. Just take it right out here and put plastic in there. That'd be the best way if I can get it out. Need a bigger bolt. Need a bigger wrench, I think. Put a 2-footer on there, see if it comes out. Should. Here it comes. Yeah, bigger wrench, that's all.
Dramatic difference in what you were supposed to do price-wise? I just want to...
Price-wise, the guy, I told her what, you know...
it was by the hour.
Yeah, and I told her, from what she was saying, she had a rotted hole in the main cast iron pipe. I said, might be able to put a patch on there for you.
Yeah, yeah.
And I said, you know, let me go by and see what the story is. Because sometimes, you know, people say one thing,
oh, yeah,
and it's something else. See, the pipe was just rotted. I mean, this is an easier fix than a main cast iron stack.
Oh, okay. But you're still $100 an hour, blah, blah, blah. Plus the pieces or whatever.
Plus the parts, yeah, you know.
I just wanted to get an average. I didn't want to be hit with it. That's why we never called. You get hit with a massive bill.
No, I wouldn't do that to nobody. I mean, my rate's so much money, and that's, you know, plus whatever time I got to spend to fix it. You know, it only makes sense, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
I might be able to just...
Now what happens, because that always catches lint in there.
Well, I'll tell you what the best thing to do is.
You
see, get a panty, like a knee-high from the girls.
Yeah.
They tape it on, knee-high on here.
Yeah.
Right, and it'll catch all the lint. And then after it fills up in a couple of weeks or a month, you throw it out and put a new one in there. They're cheap.
Keep doing it, yeah.
But you got to make sure it doesn't block the drain, the knee-high. Know what I mean by a knee-high?
Oh, yeah.
You just cut it. Just cut it so it doesn't hit the drain, and it'll catch all the lint, and all the water will go out.
So put it loose enough so at least it leaves a pocket here.
Well, I would let it hang down. You know, let it hang down like it's you know.
I'll do that.
Whatever, 10-inch, 12-inch, whatever.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And just as long as it's not blocking the drain.
And not too tight, so that's why I asked that, so it doesn't back up into the...
No, you gotta tape it here so it don't blow off.
Yeah, yeah.
But then the water's gonna go through the knee high, but the knee high's gonna catch all the lint. That's what you need.
I'll do that this weekend. I do have 2 other jobs for you to do, just not today.
What is it?
If you want to take a quick look at it. The kitchen sink, there's a crack in this. It's a PVC pipe like this.
Yeah.
And there's a crack in it. We actually have a little bucket under there because it drips. It just needs to be replaced. I'm sure that's actually way less than what you're doing, but 'cause it's already plastic and it's not that old. And the other job, I think, is a big job. I don't know, but the bathroom wall, my son's in there right now. Shower. I see it on YouTube. The actual shower thing it's dripping all the time. When you tighten it too much. You know what I'm saying?
Not really.
Yeah.
What's dripping if you tighten it too much?
The actual shower head, not the shower head, the faucet. That's because the actual shower, the hot and cold thing, I think I actually just looked it up on YouTube. That it's
the washer's leaking.
It must be leaking or stripped, because you know how if you're gonna turn it off, you gotta keep turning it up too much, and it's still leaking.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to look at it. As long as we get this thing to work for you, right? That's all that matters, right?
No, I wanted to do it another day because I'd rather know what I'm getting into. Like, you just tell me what it's gonna be. You know what I mean?
Again, time and material on something like that. I don't know. If you want a price, I'm gonna spank it really high because I don't know what I'm gonna run into.
True.
You're better
Well,
off.
I can show you one. I can show you. I mean, you can.
No, I don't know until I get into it.
Oh, I
mean,
until I take it
it's
apart.
you start taking it apart and shit falls apart on you, and now you're into it deeper. I mean, that's how plumbing is.
I'm sure that the bathroom ain't gonna be is. What you talking about?
There's no my crystal ball I left at home. I mean, you just don't know, you know.
No, I understand.
That's it. That should be fine. You know, we got no Taj Mahal here, right? All right. Let's see if that leaks. Looks like I might be. It's going down, but going down slow. Yeah, it's going down, but going down slow. Definitely got to put that knee high on there. I mean, that'll catch all the lint, you know. Good to do is run some hot water down there once in a while. All right, well, it's not leaking anymore. It was rotted right off. It rotted right off. It rotted right off. But that's it. Well, that ain't no big deal. I mean, you can see the piece rotted right off right there. You can show your wife. Well, you're the boss, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna stick some stuff in there.
Going down, but going down slow. I mean,
I just plunged it the other night, and then I didn't mess with it again because that pipe was so messed.
yeah, sometimes a little plunge, you got a plunger right there. Well, we'll check it out. See if we can give it the old Gundy. Get it going there for you. This one work? This is going down better, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. You gotta definitely put that knee be high.
Oh, I
on there.
definitely will.
That's going down. Oh, that's good.